you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Hey, buddy. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Get off at that thing. What's up, bro? How you doing? What's going on, man? Leave it. Oh, okay. What you running here, man? Alright, so usually I run 9 subs. I'm down a sub right now, and I'm down an amp. I don't know if I got close or not. So right now it's 8 SAV2s, 12s in a 6 order, 2 JP33s, 0.42 each. So 4 subs per amp. Ooh. Yeah. And I'm actually turned way down right now. That -4, and I'm tuning. Oh yeah, you down? At 0. So it is doing all of this here. Yeah, she does alright. SA series. Yep, SAs. So you ain't gotta go all the way up to get the job done. Oh no. This ain't all about how you doing that. This is proof of that. Here, I got you.
My dying day. Congratulations, I just taught you how to spin a Benz. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. With the 3 amps and the 9 subs, it was a whole different truck. So you just down, I'm down 1 sub and 1 amp. Oh yeah, it's a big difference in that. Where can I find you on social media? My name is Jorge Enrique Reyes. On Facebook, I'm George E. Reyes Jr. That's really it, man. I post some videos here and there, and that's really it. Y'all be sure to subscribe. Yes, that's a good thing, bro. I left a card down there so you can check your video. Oh yeah, I got you. Okay. I think I put it right here. There we go. Yes, sir. Get it?
You got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.